I wanted to know whether these PVC blinds were going to block out noise, just not just the wind. And so this is not a perfect test, but I couldn't find much on the internet about this, so I thought it might be useful for you guys to see. I've got an Apple Watch, which I think is pretty accurate, although I don't have a decibel meter to measure it by, but it's a relative difference that we're looking for anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'll stop talking soon because we need to see what the levels are like. But there's traffic noise behind, and I want to see what the peak and the average looks like. Apple Watch isn't going to be able to calculate for us, but I'll just do it in real time so you guys can see. Okay, you get the idea. It's peaking at about, I've been here for a few minutes already, and the numbers are pretty similar. It's been peaking at about 59, goes down to about 52, and I'll stop talking now and we'll close the blinds, and you can see the whole area is closed off with PVC, and we'll see what happens. So it's probably peaking about 55, 54, which is about 5 decibels less, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it actually does make a bit of a difference. What I'll do now is I'll wait for a truck to come by and immediately open it so you can see the change up. So there's an obvious drop, about 6 decibels maybe. And again. So in summary, for this sort of traffic, where you've got a couple of cars going down the road on a 70 kilometer per hour road, it's going to be about a 5 or 6 decibel drop. And that's roughly what I could find on the internet. So it's actually true. You actually do notice it when you're inside. It takes a lot of the high frequency away. So probably 6 decibels. And I think you'll have to look that up, but it's probably about maybe a 20% drop, although it's all very subjective, you can definitely notice a difference. So yes, so the blinds aren't just good for blocking out wind and rain, but also has some benefit in blocking off the sound, although not nearly as good as a glass though. But you do have to seal off the entire area, because if there's any leakage, then you're going to get sound leaking in.